There you go, one box of 2014 Topps Mini Chrome for Jesse J. Trey Mason rookie. Fantasy Focus Aaron Rodgers. McCarron rookie. Tavis Bryant rookie. Jerick McKinnon Pulsar refractor. Taj Boyd, boom. Die cut card. Keenan Allen out of 25. Pink refractor. 21 to 25. Let me get some. I thought I had penny sleeves out. Apparently I did not. Yeah, dodge a bullet, no Taj auto. It's hard to dodge Taj too. Teddy Bridgewater. Bortless. Kyle Van Noy refractor. Darkey's Dennard refractor. $4,000 Yard Club Matt Ryan at a 210. Jimmy G. Tom Savage out of 99. Whew, not a Tom Savage auto either. Whew. Dodging bullets. Hopefully you get hit by a good one though. It's a big sig. Sammy Watkins, that's not bad at all. Pink refractor auto. 46 out of 75. Nice, nice. Michael Sam rookie. Refractor Ace Sanders. 2 packs left. One more look at Sammy. Nice. I like that big signature it is. Thanks, Jesse. Thanks for watching, guys.